I've just been down to my local fruit shop where I've picked up some veggies for dinner. Right now I'm going to use this pumpkin, which was handpicked by my local retailer this morning at the Brisbane Produce Market. Now I'm going to make a family classic, pumpkin and chickpea naked burgers. I start by cooking the pumpkin in boiling water for 10 minutes or until tender. Once the pumpkin is done, allow time for it to cool. Then add chickpeas and mash together with a beaten egg, flour, cumin, zucchini and a teaspoon of paprika. Season generously with salt and pepper. Next, I heat some olive oil in a pan on a medium to high heat and spoon the pumpkin mixture into the pan and make patties. Let the patties cook for about 5 minutes on each side or until brown. For a dressing, combine paprika and yogurt and place a dollop on each patty. It's as easy as that. Now I've used eggplant for my bun, but you can replace it if you'd like. Go to your local fruit shop and grab this recipe and get your free winter veg sample.